Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Not sure if a lot of you guys saw, but Donald Trump actually did sign, the bill or the treaty to have the potential of actually further delisting Chinese stocks. The only one as of right now that I know are compliant to all the rules for, for all these Chinese stocks is actually just going to be NIO and BABA. This will probably actually end up being a good thing for NIO and BABA, as all the people that actually have their money in other Chinese stocks of fear of getting delisted, all the money will probably go into NIO and BABA. That's what I wholeheartedly think, that all that money has to be transferred out somewhere, because there's some really stupid, dumb, company that's obviously being manipulated and cooking their books. All that money after signing this bill, after Trump signed this bill, all that money is going to be moved out, and I do think it's going to go into NIO and BABA, which are actually companies that have been and are being compliant with the U.S. stock market, the SEC, and basically anything that involves their actual accounting. So I do expect NIO and BABA to be volatile, but it's more of it's volatility towards the upside, really, I think.